In this video, I'll be showing you the best stealing methods on Steal a Brainrot, starting with small avatar method. In my opinion, the small avatar method is outdated. This is a clip from like months ago, and as you can see, like, it doesn't really do much. You're just small. Another thing about small avatar, bro, is that look, when you get hit, bro, you get sent way too far. Like, it's not supposed to happen. That only happens because you're small. Small avatar is really good when you're trying to hide behind the base and use the gear at the same time, because you don't have to use an invisibility cloak. You can just hide and nobody can see it because you're so small. You're smaller than a brick. This is one good showcase of how to use it properly. However, you can still get hit by bacons like that, and you know, you're gonna get cut. Here's probably one of the best showcases of a small avatar actually working. So first of all, I have a clone set up upstairs. I don't have a clip of doing that, but trust me, it's up there. As you can see, I'm so small, nobody can see that I even set up traps here, and then I'm even in one. And boom, this guy gets trapped. I changed with the clone. I didn't even know there was a clone up there. I take the Coco Fanto, and you know, my friend just does the rest, and then you know, we win. But you know, obviously I get hit. So you know, if it worked, that would have been cool. Small avatar is pretty good, but if you combine it with the roof method, it gets even better. Roof method has to be the only method I've used the most. Now for it, you can use a lot of things, but mostly roof method is known for being used with a friend. So as you can see in this clip, I'm literally just hopping on my friend and going on the roof. That's why it's called the roof method, because you go on the roof from the sign. Now you can't call it the sign method, but the roof just sounds better. And then all you gotta do is just go around the map. Now the map has like a little gap thingy where you can walk on, and you can take that to your advantage. Now I'll come back to the roof method later, bro, but let's talk about the big avatar method. The big avatar method allows you to pick someone up and drag them around the map if you have a web sling and a carpet. It's because it's the opposite of a small avatar. It's much heavier, so whenever someone hits you, you don't fly too far. Big and tall avatars are also really good because they allow you to climb on the roof solo, meaning you can do a solo roof method if you put down a sentry instead of a human being. So yeah, big avatar is not really good. That's why we're gonna use this new method I invented called the bacon avatar roof method. Originally, I used to call it the bacon coil glitch because whenever you reset with the gravity coil, you would keep the gravity, and that's what made it so broken. You keep the gravity even when you're stealing something. So for example, once I grab this turbo, I'm gonna keep the gravity. Look, I'm jumping in slow-mo, and it's the most broken thing ever because first of all, nobody can hit you. Second of all, it's so easy to get on the roof. And I actually recently discovered that you can go on the roof even without the gravity coil glitch. And this leads me to the entire point of the video. This video is all about the best stealing methods, and today I'm going to show you my best stealing method that I found out. It's so broken, guys. All you have to do is have a tall bacon avatar. You don't need to have a bacon hair or anything like that. You just need to have the man package. Watch what I'm doing in this clip. Look, okay, we're about to body swap. Okay, we body swapped. We're gonna go on the roof. You know, that guy is trapped down there. He can't do anything. We're gonna grab this and we're gonna go towards the sign. I go in first person specifically because it's really hard to move on these places. Once you go up here and you turn around and go back a little bit, look, I can just climb up. I don't even need the gravity coil glitch. I can just do this like this. This took me a few hours to get a good attempt, but you get the point. And no, this is not a private server. I just purposefully join empty servers. I want to show you in this video as well. All right, guys, this is your first step towards having the best stealing method. Make sure these are the right settings on your scale, and this is your avatar. Now, the way I steal brainrots is by going to very small servers, because that way I don't get anyone else distracting me. And in order to get this selection, it's PC only. If you're mobile and you don't have access to this, then I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to use regular servers. But if you're lucky and you're on PC, all you gotta do is install Row Pro. I'll leave the link in the description. As you can see, this way I get servers that are 2 of 8, meaning I can join them and start stealing because people there are more relaxed and they think there are no threats to them. But the only threat to them is guys, this is what you gotta do. Look at this guy, bro. He's so relaxed. Like, look, there's only 2 people and they're relaxed. I literally can just like take that right now. I'm not going to. I'm gonna do this first. Make sure that, you know, I can get out safely. So this guy is kind of laggy, which means I can just take this right now. This guy doesn't even know what planet he's on. Oh, he left. As you can see, he just leaves. We just need to hope that that guy doesn't hit us, bro. Like, if he hits me, I'm actually gonna be screwed. If he actually hits me, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. But as you can see, bro, people that are on 2 out of 8 servers, they're really bad. And that's how you get the best brain rots. That's how you find the richest servers. As you can see, I literally just, this is my first server. I'm not even, this is not scripted. This is not edited. I swear to God, this is literally my first server. I don't even know who these people are. But yeah, you guys wish to become the best stealer, bro? Keep watching, bro, because I'm gonna keep stealing. If you want to win any of the stuff I stole in this video, then join my Discord server. It's in the description. And of course, guys, it goes without saying, I thought it was obvious, but you always transfer your stuff to an alt account. You know, if you have 2 devices, then use them. You also need to make sure if you have a failed attempt, you remove the sentry or like try to stay away from the base, because the longer you stay on the base, people will get scared and they'll just leave. So we're gonna steal from this guy. He has a very small cooldown, and I already know which item I'm gonna steal. I think I'm gonna go for the Rainbow Giraffe Celestre. It looks like the most expensive item. But we're gonna absolutely cook this guy. Guys, if you don't have the body swap, that's fine as well. You can use Medusa head. So let's put a sentry. And this. And just go up. And you know, make sure you go first person here because it is kind of scary. And then boom. We're on the roof, and then we just go around. Okay, here you have to also be careful. Oh, you see, that's why you need to be careful. Okay, we have 30 seconds on that sentry. Okay, most of the time, these guys don't know what to do when this happens. So you will be good. They can do that as well, but that won't do much. Oh, okay, you know what? Maybe it will do much. That was just unlucky. I should have baited him or something. No! Now he's gonna leave. Yeah, he left. All right, guys, let's try not to make the same mistake. Let's see. Oh. No, bro. Okay, you see, guys, this is one problem with this game, bro. When you try to steal and other people also try to steal, it's gonna interfere, and it just gets messy. So that's exactly why I go to empty servers like that. Let's see if that works, bro. Okay, look, they're just messing around. Look, they don't even care. Like, do you see what I mean? Guys, if you join an empty server, you can just steal like that. And look, and now she just realized that I stole it from her. And now they don't know what to do. Like, look how laggy they are too. Now it is like a mythic lucky block, but I don't really care about it. Alright, fine. You know what? They want it back. You can have it back, bro. I don't care. You can have it back. Hey, you gonna take it back or no? Why did she not want to take it back? She only took it back once I told her, bro. What? What is going on in this game, bro? All right. Oh my gosh, these guys are stacked. Okay, hold on. I need to plan this out real quick. If that's gonna work. Okay, he's right there. I see him. Okay, I got it. We just have to be careful with the jump. Okay, and we just have to go like this. Just be extremely careful, bro. Let's just hope they're not smart enough to figure out. Okay, look, they're both camping my base. Guys, what do I actually do? All right, well, they do have to hit me like once to get it, but it's all good. I have a method. All right, as you can see, it's literally just camping my base, but all I have to do is just jump down. Oh yeah, like that. Boom! They actually sold. No, lock the base. Well, looks like you're not having it back. Guys, it was never about the haircut. Oh, look, these guys are doing, I don't know what. Let's just take this. Okay, I think I could just take it. Just chasing me. Oh my god! Oh, he has a Bombini Gusini that makes 32k. Alright, we can take that. Just do the same thing as I always do. We put a sneaky clone up here. Oh, he left. Oh, and then the entire server gets filled. Haha. Oh my god. Oh, careful. On the sentry. Then the roof. Okay, my base is all the way there. How am I gonna get there? No, I fell down. I almost had it, bro. Guys, if you fall down, it's just like a detrimental mistake, bro. Like, you lose everything. Gosh. This I hit the jackpot, chat. If I actually get this, I'm actually gonna... Okay, well, and they're gonna be trolling me. Cool. Oh, now my watch. I literally have this. And what are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? Oh, okay, he can do something about it. Okay, well, if you're gonna bully me, bro, you're just giving me more reasons to attack you, dude. Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. As long as he doesn't leave, we're good. Friends, join! Like... Oh my god, bro. Like, of course my friends have to join me when I'm doing this. Like, dude. And they left. And, oh, and this guy's exploiting. No! Oh, I could have had it. I could have taken... Oh my gosh, bro. Like... Bro, I'm turning off joins, bro. Guys, I'm actually turning off joins, bro. This was the jackpot, bro. This would have been it, bro. I would have had it. All right, hold on, bro. Let me just turn off joins, bro. This is so fun. Like, so annoying, bro. I'm not even kidding. All right, nobody can join me, bro. Look at this. Nobody can now join me. Get out! Get out! Dude, I kind of feel bad for that guy, bro. He got his stuff stolen by an exploiter, bro. And it's kind of my fault because I joined his server, and then my friend joined the server, which populated the server, which made the exploiter join the server, which made him lose the Medusi. Dude, it's so complicated. It's literally like the butterfly effect. Okay, this server is completely like crazy. They're just all fighting. I can assure you right now. Okay, yeah, that guy is gone. It's doable. The guy, oh, he has a Lavaka. He has a Lavaka. I announce he has a Lavaka. Yes, something upstairs, but I can't see. Yes, the spider. I think that spider is worth more than Lavaka. I'm not sure though. But the thing is, like, it's on the 3rd floor, and then I never stole anything from the 3rd floor. So I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I think it's easier to go for the Lavaka. I'm not gonna lie, because I think he's already getting attacked. So the people on the 1st floor is what's gonna help me. I think the strategy for this is just very simple, because I saw he's getting attacked by someone. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a sentry on the sign, clone inside his base, and then just stay invisible. And then let's just hope that the guys at the bottom will do the job. Or I have a better alternative. We can spend Robux. I only spend Robux on like something rare like that. So let's just make sure we know where he is. Okay, I don't know where he is. He's not in his base, so he must be like camping those guys' bases or something. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a sentry right here, and let's just hope my meta is gonna work. Okay, quantum clone inside, unlock base. Then we're gonna grab this. And we just go. Oh no. What the f— Okay, I just wasted Robux. What is this scam? What? I have to unlock it twice? Bro, I just got scammed. Guys, I literally just got scammed, bro. Oh my god. What is this game? Why did I have to unlock it twice, bro? I just wasted like 100 Robux on this. Nah, this game is actually trolling. All right, bro. I'm actually like still so mad that I got scammed, bro. Is this a bug? Is that a feature? Because, dude, if it's a feature, that's the most dumbest feature ever. Why did it not? Bro, like, guys, I'm still so mad, bro. I have to go get a snack to recover from this, bro. That's how bad it is. God, bro, how the oh no. Oh, this guy has a gravity coil. Oh no. Oh no. He might get me, guys. This might be GG. This might be GG, or it might not be GG. Guys, what do you think? Guys, what are we thinking? Might work, or this might not work. Oh my god. No, go away. Grappling hook. I got it. Now I just need to keep it. Oh, I got it. Oh my gosh. How did he do that? I'm bugged. No way it's gonna work. Okay, it's already. Oh. No. Alright, these guys are annoying, bro. What, like, wow, who uses that B thing? Dude, legit, nobody uses that B thing, bro. Like, oh my gosh, are you serious, dude? Were they even friends, bro? Okay, they were. They were definitely friends. What is hitting me, dude? Like, do you guys see, like, this is such a mess, bro. Like, having empty servers is a blessing, dude. Not having to deal with like 20 other people trying to steal from the same person is so much better, bro. All right, let's steal from this guy. Actually, I kind of feel bad. They're literally like a noob. Mateo. Dude, I swear I stole from this guy before. I've been playing this game so much. Listen, can you leave, please? Oh my gosh, no way, buddy. No way, buddy. Okay, they keep missing their web sling shots. Oh, and he grappled, but he missed. He set down the sentry. Wait, the sentry is actually such a smart. Oh my gosh, bro. You know what, bro? I can't be asked, bro. I can't, bro. Dude, I need someone to join. Why would you do that, bro? Why? Oh god, bro, people in this game are so stupid. Like, it actually hurts my brain, bro. I can't, guys. I can't. I'm not in the video, bro. People in this game are so. Oh my gosh, bro.